What's up guys, in today's video I'll be showing you the step that I take whenever I want to get into any trade in the market, because a lot of you have been asking me on how do I get my entries whenever I want to enter any trade in the market. And today I feel like this is the right time, this is the right day to tell you guys on how I do these things, guys. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget my name is Joshua, and on this channel I teach people on how to trade the forex market. I teach people from the beginners level to the advanced level. I've created a lot of videos about this already. I've made a lot of videos for beginners to advanced level, and if you want to watch them, you can go back to those videos and get to watch them and get to learn some things from the market also. So let's dive into the video. Let's get into the chart. Let me show you how I get my entries every day in order to get good trades, and sometimes you get to lose money also, because it's part of the game. And whenever you risk, you expect two things in the market: either you make profit or you make losses in the market. So let's get to the chart. Let me show you how I do this every day, guys. Alright, so this is an exact step by step on how I enter the market every day, how I get to trade, and how I get to make money and make losses in the market also. So here's what happened. This is the first thing I do in the morning. When I wake up, I get to my weekly time frame. Then from there I get to understand the structure of the market. Then I get to know what I should do next. Just like this place whereby you can see that this market is in a very bullish move, and there are places whereby we expect the market to break, which is this area in the market right now. This is a very strong structure in the market, and I'll be placing my horizontal line around that place because we're expecting that the market should take it out. So what we expected to do right now is we should also track the market and get to know where the market should get a retest around. Then from there we get to get our entries and keep moving with the trend of the market. So this is what we're going to do right now. If you look at this place now, if you're someone that understands the market structure very well, although I've created a video about it already and you can get to watch it and also get to learn about it also. Look at this place whereby the market looks like it's formed what a rally based drop in the market. Then from there the market got a retest and start moving towards the upside. You can see that this is a very good structure in the market, and the market came and got a final retest around this place, not breaking the structure in this side. And from there the market continued pushing towards the upside. So here we have a proper confirmation that this market is still going to be bullish for a very long time, and all we have to do is follow the market and track where the market is going to. So around this side now, this area have been blocked in the market. You can see this pin bar around this side. The market came very close to that pin bar and never got to take the pin bar away. So that side is locked up in the market already, and I don't have to place any entries around that place or place any horizontal lines around that place. So around this side now, I'm going to place my horizontal line, which is this place whereby the market came and got some kind of other block around the side. Then from there we expect the market to push from there toward the upside. But if you look at the market very well, you get to understand that this is a weekly time frame and we don't get to get our entries around this place only. So we have to go back to lower time frames like the daily time frame in the market. Then from there we can get to analyze more and get to know what the market is trying to do for that day, guys. So on this daily time frame right now, the overall structure of the market still remains that the market will still be bullish for a very long time. And looking at this side, you can see a lot of continuation candles in the market, which kept on moving around this side. All this side are continuation candles in the market. See this place whereby the market came, got a retest, came and got another retest around this place, got a pin bar, got another pin bar, and different type of candles in the market, telling us that this is a continuation pattern in the market. We don't expect the market to break that area again because the market has tested it already, and we expect the last area, which is the last continuation pattern that was formed and wasn't retested, we expect that one to be the continuation pattern that is going to push the market towards the upside again. So on this side now, we're going to find that continuation pattern that wasn't retested, and we get to know what we're going to do in the market, man. So around this side now, you can see a lot of them, a lot of continuation candles around this place. This one got retested. This side has been retested already. So let's look for the one that hasn't been retested in this market. Let's get to use that one for our entry on the daily time frame. So on this side now, you can see that this one is retested already. You can see this candle around this place that looks like a fair value gap candle in the market. The market came around that place, got a retest around the side. Looking at this side also, you can see that this place is retested in the market. So we get to find another area right now, which is this other side that has been retested also. This side also came and broke this former structure. So this side that broke the former structure, we're going to place our horizontal line around that place. Then once we go to the lower time frame, which is the H4 time frame, we get to find the main entry where we're going to use in this market. So we're placing it around this place, and also we can see another fair value gap candle around this place, which is this candle in this side. So this candle around this side now, we're going to place our horizontal line around that place, because if at all we expect the market to get back to that place, we expect it to be around that candle and not going below that candle right now. So let's go to our H4 time frame, which is the third time frame we get to use whenever we want to find what is going to happen in the market. So once we take our entry, we don't get to think a lot about the things that is going to happen in the market. So looking at this place now, you can see that on our H4 time frame, you can see that the market has it kind of tested some other areas in this place, which is this side. You can see this rejection candles around this place, telling you that this bullish move is still strong in the market. Around this place, we got another pin bar around the side. And looking at this side now, it's looking more like an other block area for us in the market, and the market just came around the place, got a retest, and started pushing towards the upside. So if at all we were to kind of use this place, which is this pin bar around the side, and the market broke that pin bar, imagine the whole of this area, which is the other blow side in this market, it was able to keep the market going, and the market wasn't able to break the whole of that structure in that side. So that movement is very strong in this market, and what we expect right now is what, for the market to keep pushing towards the upside. And look at what the market did again. Looking at this side now, you can see that the market just came around that side, got to retest, and the market continued pushing towards the upside. So that side has been tested now, and what we have to do is go to our H1 time frame. Then from there we can get to know what is going to happen today. Now look at our H1 time frame. You can see that the market has tested this last point, which we got on our H4 time frame, which is the 4 hours time frame. So what we're going to find right now is a way to get our entry for the day, man, because we are day trading. We are trying to make money from day trading right now, and there are a lot of structures in this market right now. So looking at this side now, we're going to bring out that tool that looks like cross in the market. We're going to bring it out, and we're going to get to use it for something important also. The market came and rejected around this place, and the market came and got a retest to that rejection point in this place. So this area now has been tested. If at all we wanted to place our entry around the side, it's not going to work out for us anymore. So this area has been retested already, and what do we expect the market to do? We expect the market to keep pushing towards the upside. So we're going to drag this horizontal line to this side. So we just dragged our horizontal line to that side. What we're going to do now is find a place whereby the market hasn't tested before. Then from there we expect the market to get a retest around. Then from there we get to push with the market, because the overall move of this market is a bullish move, and the market is in an uptrend, whatever you call it in the market. So we still expect the market to keep pushing towards the upside until we get to this place whereby we just mark out, which is this area in the market, whereby we expect the market to come and break. Then from there we will get our take profit in the market. So let me just use another stuff to mark it out. Let me just change the color. Let's say I use something like, which color should I even use? Okay, let's say I use something like red color in that place. All right, let's use red color in that place. I'm gonna press down on that. So what we're expecting now is for the market to come and hit that place whereby we have our red horizontal line in the market, and we are gonna go back to our H1 time frame, which is the last time frame whereby we were before we went to that place and did some color changing in order for us to identify it and make it different from others. So right now what we're expecting is that since the market has tested this part, look at this place, this part has been tested, this pin around this place that has been tested in the market, and you can see that around this side also the market came and got a retest towards this structure in this place. This engulfing candle in this place has been tested also. What we expect right now, we expect this side, and this side has been tested also. So we're going to bring out our horizontal line, and we're going to place it around this side, which is this place in the market. And looking at this side also, you can see this pin bar around this place. The market is giving us that pin bar as an area whereby we can get to look up to, and we can get to go to the lower time frame also, and get to know if that pin bar is going to take the trade to another level, or if the market is going to get close to this candle in this place, which is this other small pin bar in this place also. So let's get to find out the one that's going to work in the market right now. So on the M30 time frame now, you can see a lot of things are happening in this market, and you can see this side whereby we have a lot of rejections in the market also. So around this side whereby we had a lot of rejection in the market wasn't able to come back to that place and get any retest again. So the market just came, used this side as an area whereby the market will now push from, which is this side in this market. So we're going to bring our horizontal line to that side, which is this place in the market. Then from there we get to expect that from there the market will now start pushing towards the upside. And we're going to go to our M15 time frame, which is the time frame that we use in order for us to get our entries in the market, because I normally use this for my major entries in the market, and I sometimes use M5 and M1 for my sniper entries in the market, especially when I want to go hard on the market, guys. So this place now is our M15 time frame. And what can you see in the market? We can see that the market has done what, and we can see that around this place we have a pin bar around this side, and we got another candle and got the pin bar. Then from there what the market did was the market just came very close to that side. The market wasn't able to touch it, and from there the market started pushing towards the upside again. So this place now becomes our plan B in the market. And if this side was able to take the market towards the upside, this place in the market, let me use this to mark that for you very well. If this part was able to take the market toward the upside, then we don't expect that this place is strong enough to keep us going. So we're gonna mark out another area whereby we expect to be the area whereby the market should push from right now due to what we're seeing in the market. Then from there, if at all the market doesn't get to break that place, we get to push from there toward the upside. But if at all the market breaks that place, we will get to stand with our plan B in the market. So around this side now, we have this area whereby the market has tested many times. Looking at this place, you can see that the market came around this side, got a test around this place, came and broke it in order for the market to get more strength to push towards the upside. Then now we are expecting that the market should do what? Get a retest around this side whereby we have this pin bar in the market. And if you look at my analysis very well, you know that I value pin bars and engulfing candles very well in the market, and I also value fair value gap candles in the market very well, because these are the major candles that helps us in knowing what we're doing in the market. So look at what the market is doing right now. We expect the market to do what? Get a retest around the side. Then if the market gets a retest around the side, from there we'll start pushing toward the upside again. But if at all the market doesn't get a retest around this place and the market comes and break this area, we expect this place to be our next entry in the market. That's why we have a plan B in the market in case our plan A doesn't work in the market. So here is our plan B in the market, which is this part in the market, and this is our plan A in the market. So if at all we get to lose money in this part, we get to use this pin bar as our stop loss area in the market, because if the market breaks that pin bar, there is no solution to this trade right now. That's how I love taking my trade, because there are areas whereby if the market just break it, just forget it. Anything you're doing there is just for you to lose money in the market. And we expect this place to be our take profit in the market. So if at all I want to calculate how much I might lose or how much I might win in the market, I'll be using this tool in the market also, which is this our stuff that we use in placing buy limit and sell limits in the market. So from this place now, we'll be expecting that if at all we get an entry in this place, our take profit should be around this side, which is how much? $162 in the market. That's using the lowest loss size. Bro, that's a lot of money in the market, and if you get to do it well, you get to make money also. If at all the market goes against us, like for instance, let's get to the lower time frame and get to do it on the lower way, because sometimes we don't get to see this place like as big as it is right now for us in the market. So if at all the market goes against me around this place, which is this area in the market, for instance I bought in this side and the market goes against me, which is from here to this place, we'll be losing 0.9 cent. Okay, let's say we'll be losing 1.10 USD in the market, and that's very little, man. And if we get to win, we get to win 160. So the risk to reward ratio is very big. So that's the way I trade every day. And right now I'm even expecting the market to get back to this place, then I get to smash in some entries in the market, then from there I push toward the upside. And also on this side, if the market doesn't go well in this place, I will get to take my entries around this place, and I'll still get to make money in the market, guys. Right now, I believe you have learned a lot of things from this video, and if you get to practice it on your account, you get to make money from the market. But first of all, start with your demo account, because that's the account that we use whenever we want to practice anything that we've been taught of. Then from there, you can get to apply it on your real account, when you get to master it on your demo account also. So that's all for today's video. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to do what? Hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like the video. If you're watching on any other social media, don't forget to do what? Follow us on those social medias also, like our video, and also share it to your friends so that they can get to learn and get to make money from the market also. See you guys in the next video. Peace and love.